Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is another China unboxing. This is clamps, cheap ones from China. For each clamp I paid maximum $2. Let's unbox and see what we get inside. I bought them just to test the quality. I found for me a very good brand, China brand for clamps, Duratec. I have several videos about that clamps you can watch. Really quality materials. I used them couple of months and very happy with the quality, so I can recommend some Duratec clamps. I have more on the way to me. I will unbox them in next videos too. Let's see these no-name Chinese clamps, cheap ones, how the quality will be for the price of $2. Again, you can see they packed very well. No problem with transportation. So I feel the plastic is not very cheapy, but not strong one. This part you can see wobbling, and again plastic, not quality one. But for simple works, when you do not need high pressure clamping, for the price they can be okay, but not something quality. This is F style, as I remember, should be clamps. Let's see what the quality of this one. Again, from my videos you can watch that I'm buying a lot of things from China, and in China there are a lot of quality things, and compared price with renowned brands quite low, and you can get high quality items with reasonable price. So all the time I'm trying some items, brands, to find out from which to buy in regular base. So for clamps, as I mentioned, Duratec, for the price, very quality. So again, let's see. First feeling, it's strong spring but uncomfortable to move, but nice. Then you have one-way movement without taking action. With this it's not comfortable, frankly speaking. As you can see here, there are grooves. Metal feel strong, this part also, but the plastic is again cheapy. So you can see very thin, will not last long time. Handle, red one is plastic, black one is rubber. Again, for the price it's okay for me to have in my workshop, taking into account that the price for this is about $2. So I took two sizes. As you can see, the rest is the same. So for the price I can recommend, but take into account this is not heavy duty, for heavy duty use. So if you will use them in such a condition, they will not last a long time. But for hobbyists and having in your workshop, and you do not want to pay $10–15 for good brands for such clamps, for $2 it's quite reasonable to pay them and use in your garage and your hobbyist workshop. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, it helps me to make more videos, and have a nice day.